You're watching the Weiss channel. Da -da 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 -da. Okay, the last few days we talked about graphing the equation of a line by putting numbers in for x and solving for y. Today I'm going to show you the easy way. But Mr. Weiss, why didn't you show me the easy way the first time? Because I'm a mean person. Okay. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3. We're going to graph the y-intercept and then the slope. What? The y-intercept, what does intercept mean? Intercept is where you intercept. Like in football, when you intercept, you cut across, right? And you intercept a pass, right? Intercept is where the line cuts across the y-axis. Okay, so the value of x is going to be 0. When I put 0 in for x, half of 0 is 0, right? So what is y going to be when x is 0? 0 minus 3 is -3. Thank you, Talia. All right, -3. So the intercept is always this number right here, -3. So I'm going to put a big fat dot on -3. That's a point on the line. Now I'm going to graph the slope. The slope, remember, is rise over run. Rise over run, right? What is the rise? Here's the slope, is 1/2. Means you go up, how many? 1. You go over how many? 2. So from this point, not from here, from this point, you go up 1 over 2. Here we go. I'm going to go up 1 over 2. Boom. Put a dot. Easy. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go from here up 1 over 2. Put a dot.
You can do that 3 times?
I would like you to do it 5. So here's what I want you to do. Right? I want you to go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, but then I want you to go down 1 and back 2, because negative over a negative is a positive, right? So I want you to go -1, -1, 2, put a dot. Okay? Again, -1, -1, 2, put a dot. And then I want you to draw your line all the way across through the points, all the way to the other end of the graph, and put arrows on each end. Okay? Arrows on each end. There you go. And that's how you graph the line. Let's do another one. Y equals -2x plus 5. What's the intercept? 5. Put a big fat dot on 5 on the y-axis. The biggest mistake people make is they put 5 over here. No, it's always on the y-axis. Okay. Now, what's the slope? This is -2 over what? 1, right? Because -2 is the same as -2 over 1, right? So from this point, we're going to go down 2 over 1. Okay, here we go. Ready? From this point, not from here. The biggest mistake people make is they start from the middle. No, from the intercept. Down 2 over 1. Put a big fat dot. Again, down 2 over 1. Big fat dot. I'm also going to ask you to go up 2 and back 1, because it's +2 over -1 equals the same as -2 over +1. So we're going to go up 2, back 1.
Stop.
One more time. Up 2, back 1. Draw your line from one end of the graph all the way through the points, all the way through to the other end of the graph. Put arrows at each end. Easy. Okay? What about this one? Y equals x minus 4. Would you agree that x minus 4 is the same as 1x minus 4? right? In fact, I could put a 1 here, right? Okay, so what's the intercept? -4. So I'm going to go down -1, 2, 3, 4, and put a big fat dot on -4.
Always on the what axis, Mr. White?
On the y-axis.
Just making sure.
Thank you, Dakari. Very good.
What act?
Okay. Now, 1 is the same as 1 over what? 1, right? Okay? So from this point, I'm going to go up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Put a big fat dot. Again, I'm going to go up 1 over 1. I would also like you to go down 1, back 1. Because negative over negative is a positive, right? Down 1, back 1. Go from one end of the graph through the points all the way through to the other end of the graph. Put arrows at both ends. Okay? By the way, you may notice that my line isn't perfect. I am the kind of person, I don't look for perfection here. I just want to see that you understand the subject, okay? So I will not be looking for perfect lines, okay? I will be looking to see if you understand what we're doing. Over here, y equals -3x plus 6. I'm going to start at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a big fat dot. Then I'm going to go down 3.
Over 1.
Yeah. Right? From here, down 2, 3, over 1. Big fat dot. Again, down 2, 3, over 1. Big fat dot. I'm also going to go up 3.
Back one.
Woohoo! Up 1, 2, 3, back 1.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, back 1. Draw your line. One end of the graph through the points, all the way through to the other end. Arrows at both ends. Okay? Next. Here I'm going to start at -2. Put a big fat dot on -2. And I'm going to go up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 1, 2, 3. Put a dot. Up 1, 1, 2, 3. Put a dot. I'm also going to go down 1 and back 3. Down 1, back 2, 3. Down 1, back 2, 3. And draw a line.
Yeah.
Okay? I want to show you 2 more quick ones. Okay? Y equals 3/4 x minus 2. I'm going to start at -2. This time I'm going to go up 3 over 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3 over. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm also going to go down 3, back 4. Down 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Draw your line. Okay, one more. Y equals -3 over 2x plus 1. I'm going to start at 1. Go down 3 over 2. Down 2, 3 over 2. Down 2, 3 over 2. Or up 2, 3, back 2. Up 2, 3, back 2. Draw your line. Arrows at both ends. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Da 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 da.